I'll show you the updated method to withdraw your Bitcoin safely from Cash App, explaining the difference between on-chain and Lightning transfers and how to bypass those expensive network fees. If you're ready to secure your crypto, hit that like button and let's get into the fix. Cash App has introduced new Lightning features that let you move Bitcoin to external wallets almost instantly and often for zero fees. Before you can send a single Satoshi, you must pass the new identity check. Tap the profile icon in the top right. Select Security and Privacy and scroll to Identity Verification. You'll need to provide your full legal name, SSN, and a photo of your ID. This usually takes 24 hours to approve. If you don't do this, your Send button will remain locked. Check your Limits tab to see your current daily and weekly withdrawal caps. If your receiving wallet supports the Lightning Network, this is the only way you should be sending small amounts. Tap the Money tab symbolized by a $sign and select the Bitcoin tile. Then tap the QR icon in the top right corner. This activates your phone's camera, allowing you to scan the Lightning invoice or a standard wallet QR code directly from your external wallet or another screen. Because it's Lightning, there are zero network fees and the money arrives in seconds. You can send up to $999 every 7 days using this specific method. If you're moving a larger amount to a standard wallet address, like a Ledger or Coinbase, tap the send arrow and enter the BTC amount. Paste the address and double-check the first and last 4 characters. Choose your speed, where priority is 10 minutes, rush is 2 hours, and standard is 24 hours. Standard is usually free but requires a minimum withdrawal of 0.001 BTC. If you're sending less than that, you'll have to pay for rush or priority. Never type an address manually, always scan the QR code to avoid losing your funds forever. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best crypto video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.